Mahatma Gandhi reminded us, the earth, the air, the land, the water are not an inheritance from our forefathers, but on loan from our children. So we have to hand over to them at least as it was handed over to us. By 2050, we will have to deal with land and water scarcity. This year's overall theme, Water for Shared Prosperity, is very relevant because it embodies at least 3 interrelated principles. First, water management. The scope